Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a super easy and delicious one-pot fried rice with chicken, veggies and eggs. Everything is going to be cooked in a single pan, so cleanup is a breeze. Let's get started. We're going to saute a few vegetables first. So here I've taken one onion, cut it into small pieces. I'm using this chopper to cut all the veggies. Now in a pan, we're going to add oil. You can either take olive oil or sesame oil. Here I'm adding the chopped onion. We're going to saute all the vegetables. Now I'm adding jalapeno. I've taken one number. This is green bell pepper, or we call it capsicum also. Next we add this carrot and half cup of green peas. We're going to saute them for 3 to 5 minutes until they are slightly tender, but still they crisp up, Add little salt and give it a good mix. I want the veggies to be slightly cooked, so I have closed the lid. So once it's cooked nicely, we're going to keep them aside like this. We're going to cook everything in one pan, so I'm not going to use any other extra pan to cook chicken or egg. Everything is going to be cooked in this pan today. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon butter, and I have taken 2 chicken thighs and cut it into small cubes like this. Now we're going to add little salt and black pepper here. So we can cook the chicken either without the lid, or I like to cook faster. So what I did is I cooked with the lid closed, but it releases water when you put a lid on top of it. So you have to let the water also dry up. So you can cook that in medium high heat, so that the water that comes after cooking the chicken, so you can let it dry it up. Closing the lid makes it cook faster, that's why I did it, but it releases water, so make sure all the water is dried up. We're going to mix everything together. I like to keep the veggies little crunchy, but as my kids, they try to take the veggies all out. So I really want them to enjoy all the veggies, so I overcook these veggies in this recipe. If you want it crunchy, you can just let it cook separately. Now here I'm adding egg. You can add oil also to get that nice scrambled egg look, but as I cooked in a dry pan without any butter or oil in that, so you can do this way also. Add little salt and black pepper, scramble it and mix it with the veggies. I have one picky eater who doesn't like to add egg to the rice like this. So yes, I made the scrambled egg really small so he doesn't figure it out. Here I'm adding rice. This is a very special rice. It's a low glycemic index rice which has less carb in it. It's a very special rice. I'll try to figure it out if I'm able to find it here in the YouTube shopping page. If I'm able to, I'll add the link here. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, sriracha, 1 tablespoon. Now mix everything well. That's it. That's the main ingredient that we used here. So we have this soy sauce, sriracha sauce, we have black pepper, salt. That's it. And this makes a very tasty recipe. And if you add sesame oil, you get that perfect fried rice that you get in the restaurants. It's very delicious, everything in one pot. And super easy to cook, isn't it? So we toss everything together until the rice is well coated with the sauce and heated through. And there you have it, perfectly cooked one-pot fried rice with chicken, veggies and eggs. It's flavorful, wholesome and ready in just 20 minutes. The chicken is juicy, the veggies had a nice flavor, and the eggs bring everything together. Plus it's all made in one pan, easy and delicious. Ready to be served, and you can enjoy it as it is. You don't need any side dish for it because everything we have in this one pot meal.
Mom made a mixed vegetarian rice, so I'm going to try it. This is so good. 10 out of 5.
If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy and tasty meals. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Till then, bye-bye and take care.